Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some easy tricks to perfectly align buttons in Elementor. Whether you're working with minimal content or need to push that button to the bottom of a container, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create professional, well-aligned designs with ease. So, let's dive right in. I'll show you the easiest way to fix this today. Select the last element before the button. Then go to the Advanced. And here click on Grow. Do the same for another one. And now, let's say you have last content social icons. Select Social Icons element and go to the Advance. Select Grow and boom. We're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Elementor and WordPress. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.